Hello everyone, welcome back to again my channel after a long time. So I hope you all are doing great and learning English in a good way. So guys, today I am going to show you my daily routine, which all things I do in a daily basis. But sometimes I skip to go library because of my health condition sometime. So today I am going to library now. Now I'm ready, but I'm sweating a lot as you can see, and now I have done my what can I say, lunch, and I'm going to library. So I will be stay there till evening. So let's go with me, and I will show you what all things I do for my English practice, English learning. So I'll show you. So be till the end in this video. Make sure you will learn something new from my video. Though I am not also a fluent speaker in English, but which all things I know. So I will definitely try to describe properly. So guys, let's go with me. And now I am on my terrace. So I thought, why should not make video today, because it's been long time I'm not consistent in my channel. So I think consistency is key of any success. So that's why I will try my best to be consistent. But sometimes it's happened with me. I don't know why I can't be consistent in any particular work, but I will try to be motivated. So I will definitely make any kind of video in English, no matter I'm making long format video and short, but I will try to be consistent in my channel. So guys, let's go with me. Now I'm sweating a lot, and as you know, these days is summer season, and what can I say, what is not coming in my mind right now. So this thing happened with me as usual. So let's go with me. I'll show you which all things I do ahead. Let's go. So guys, now I am on the way. So now I am almost near at my library. So let's go ahead. So these days I am not habitual to do blogging in public, because it's been long time I don't having doing any kind of blogging. So that's why I feel agitated front of other, but it's okay. We have to develop our confidence, because if we want to do something in our life, so I think we should not. So guys, now I have reached at my library. So as you can see, this is my book. First thing I do, I reading book. So I read book right now, and I prefer to read book maximum 10 to 15 minutes. So if I come across some new word meaning, which all word meaning I don't know, so I just underline, and later then I search it on Google Translate and just try to know that particular meaning first. So I just read book, and after that I do tenses practice, because my tenses are not clear yet. So I have to do practice again to again, so that can help me to grow also in grammatical part. So after that I do some journaling, which all thought is coming in my mind, so I prefer to do journaling also. So these all activities I do for my learning English, guys. And after that I have to do other study too, because I have to prepare my competitive exam too. So I just give my as much as time I can give for English, because it's been long time I don't consistent in my journey. So I'm trying to my best to do some practice in a regular basis. Then I do some other study, and I spent so many hours there, and then I came back in market. As you can see, right now I buy vegetable from here, and after that I do all shopping, which all things we need to buy in a daily basis. And after that I am eating momos here, and after eating momos I came back at home, and right now I'm sweating a lot. As you can see, these days humidity. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe my channel for more. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you.